My video guide is about removing the online scam that is related to the website Programmableblock.store. Programmableblock.store is a deceptive website which attacks Google, Chrome and other browsers. It actually tries to trick people into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software. At the first glance, it looks as if this website is decent. It looks as if it is related to some decent and well-known security program, but in reality, Programmableblock.store is a deceptive site. Its mission is to deceive you and to trick you into downloading some questionable software. If you click on this Protect Now button, you will then be redirected to some other questionable websites that may promote a totally different software. So you should not interact with these pop-ups. They are not related to any decent security applications. These pop-ups are the example of the typical online scam. Don't ever trust them. In case any malicious software was installed into your system, you need to check the control panel and uninstall any items that are suspicious. So if you find them, get rid of them. I also recommend that you additionally research your system with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may get on the official page combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com, use this green download button, install the software, and begin carefully researching and investigating your system to detect and delete other threats fully from your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.